Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Petivity Smart Litterbox monitor in case you're having any issues with it not connecting with your app, or if it keeps disconnecting, or if it's not giving you correct information, or maybe you just want to set it up on a different phone or whatever. We can do this hard reset. Keeping in mind, when we do this hard reset, it will remove it from any app that you have it paired with, on any phone that you have it paired with, and you'll have to reset up that pairing. But you know, that might be what you want to do, and also this will fix a lot of issues, and it's very easy to do. So all we're going to do is with power to our Litterbox monitor, we're going to come in, and the status button that's right here, you'll just press and hold it and continue holding it for about 10 seconds. And after about 10 seconds, the little indicator light will blink white several times. And once it blinks white several times, you can turn it off, and then you can let go and it'll turn off, and then you can turn it back on, and you'll have to set it up as a new device.